I'm back after 2 days. I wanted to post this video yesterday, but due to some internet problems, I had to postpone it to today. Okay, anyways, this video is part 4 of reasons for atheism. Yeah. No, reasons for atheism discussed. That's what it is. I'm forgetting my own video titles. Let's see. And today I'm going to talk about the 4th reason why atheists don't believe in God. The 4th reason is because it's and most atheists is probably 3 of these reasons, I think. And I don't know how much atheists exactly has this reason as one of them. It's how they was raised. Atheists don't want their kids to to hear this so-called nonsense about God. Because that's how an atheist would see. They see that's nonsense, and they don't want their kids to hear that. In fact, if you go back in history, the early 60s, let's see, what was her name? This lady, this lady, she had, let's see, was it prayer? I don't remember if she had prayer or something. It might have been prayer, take it. Yeah, she didn't want her kids to hear about God. And in school, they used to pray in school in the early 60s, and I think in 63, 1963, I think. Have to double check that. This lady took it to court to have prayer taken out of school, and won. Because she didn't want her kids to hear about God, and to know about God, and she was even raising her kids as atheists. Of course, this lady, might have been married in the late 90s or something. Anyways, I guess I won't mention her name. And if I have the year wrong, it's because before I was born. Yeah, and anyways, atheists, they don't want their kids to hear about God, because they don't believe in God, and they raise their kids as atheists, and their kids won't believe in God. And of course, sometimes a kid who was raised as an atheist will eventually find God. Let's see, a few more minutes left. And I don't believe all atheists was raised as atheists, and I'm not sure exactly how much. I'm pretty sure any atheists who would watch this video, who have seen this video, they might not have been raised as atheists. I mean, there's been people raised as Christians who left the faith and decided to become atheists. And now, After discussing these 4 reasons, where they want, atheism, they want proof of God. There's so-called Christians. There's uh, judgmental Christians, attacked by Christians, and raised that way. Now, what are we going to do about it? And now, after understanding this, now we have to understand that there's a right way and a wrong way to lead somebody to Christ. If you go up to an atheist and make judgmental comments about them and judge them, then you're going to push them further away. Instead of that, let's see, well, I haven't found a method that works for me yet, but I would recommend showing them the love of Christ. It would probably confuse them with an atheist cusses you out, and you respond, Jesus loves you. I guess this is it, and I'll post my next video tomorrow, and it will be called, let's see here, Reasons People Deny God. Which I've managed to come up with 4 actually. Let's see. Anything else I need to talk about in this video? Let's see, while I'm on the topic. Anyways, don't judge an atheist. It's wrong to judge people. And if you understand, you have a better understanding of the problem, then it's easy to come up with a solution. And that is the point of this video right here. So people would understand the mind of an atheist. I mean, put yourself in their shoes. And there are people who believe that atheism is an excuse to live a sinful lifestyle. But I don't think that's true for all atheists. But then I guess it is easier to deny God than to do the right thing, because not that I'm saying that they don't really know. Well, I guess I gotta go now. Running out of time.